The simplest way to propagate a plant is just pinching a small branch or stem cutting and insert it into the soil. But the success rate of rooting this cutting is generally low. Here are the 7 best natural rooting hormones or agents that can be used to accelerate rooting in cuttings and increase the success rate. At number 7. Your own saliva. Human or animal saliva is definitely an antibacterial and antifungal for plants. The main idea is to prevent the cutting from rot and thus stimulate the root formation. This very first step to prevent rot can be achieved by just dipping your cutting insertion end into saliva and then insert into the potting soil. This is definitely like, something is better than nothing. At number 6. Apple cider vinegar. This is another proven natural rooting hormone stimulant. Add 5 drops of apple cider vinegar in half a cup of water and mix well. Do not use more than this quantity, because it can have an opposite effect and may prevent rooting. Just dip the cutting into this cup and then plant it into soil. At number 5. Cinnamon powder. Cinnamon is an antibacterial and antifungal agent that will definitely double your cloning success rate. Make sure the cinnamon bark is finely powdered. Just dip the cutting into this powder for about an inch and then insert into soil. At number 4. Willow bark. The bark of willow tree contains 2 important compounds, salicin and indole-butyric acid. Salicin is chemically similar to aspirin, which is acetylsalicylic acid, whereas indole-butyric acid, in short IBA, is a plant hormone that stimulates root growth. If you are lucky and have a willow tree around you, you can make a willow tea. IBA hormone is present in high concentrations in the growing tips of willow branches. So if you can take these cuttings and soak them in warm water, you can get enough quantities of IBA hormone into this water, that's called as willow tea. At number 3. Honey. Honey is another natural antiseptic and antifungal agent which helps these little cuttings to remain healthy and strong. Remember, pure honey is said to have a more beneficial effect than the processed bottle honey. Do not directly dip your cuttings into honey because this can attract many insects and ants. So, the commonly used recipe for using honey as rooting agent is: add 1 teaspoon honey to 1 cup of boiling water. Do not boil after adding honey, just stir it well and allow it to cool down before dipping the cuttings. At number 2. Aloe Vera Gel. Fresh aloe vera gel contains salicylic acid along with other useful enzymes, amino acids and minerals. Just extract some gel from a fresh aloe vera leaf and dip the cuttings into it and then plant them into soil. At number 1. Aspirin. Though not natural, but an inexpensive rooting agent. We use aspirin 350 mg tablet either as crushed powder or dropping a dispersible tablet in a glass of water and then dipping the cuttings into it. If you want to make a more powerful and potent rooting agent, you can mix 1 or more of these things and try to experiment with each formula on some cuttings and see which one works best for you. For example, willow tea plus honey or cinnamon plus honey, or aloe vera gel plus honey and so on. Please, give a thumbs up to the video, share this video, and comment below with your feedback and queries. Consider subscribing if you are new to this channel. Happy gardening!